This is an automatic street light circuit using LDR and BC547 transistor. With this simple automatic street light control system, we can control a 220 volt street light using a relay module, and 220 volt AC bulb will automatically turns on after the sunset and turns off after sunrise. This photoresistor circuit also can be used as an emergency light. First, I create a schematic diagram for this project. First, understand the circuit diagram and all the components based on the breadboard. The circuit will be work perfectly and the project will be completed. And don't waste your time and let's get started. You can do this project. First you will understand the circuit diagram, because you will not understand the circuit diagram, the project not working exactly. Place the components step by step with the help of circuit diagram. The working principle of this automatic street light LDR circuit: the resistance across the LDR varies with the light intensity falls on it. When the light intensity is high, the resistance across the LDR is low. So the base of the transistor BC547 is connected ground through LDR. Has no positive pulse at the base of the BC547, so the transistor turns off. So current can flow through the relay coil and the AC lamp connected with relay turns on. If the light intensity becomes low, then the resistance becomes very high across LDR. So the current through the 10 kΩ resistor cannot flow through the LDR. Then the current through 10 kΩ resistor fed positive pulse to the transistor base. Then the NPN transistor turns on, so current can flow through the relay coil and the AC lamp connected with the relay turns on. Thus, we can use the LDR to make this automatic street light. Power on the circuit: the LED is indicating the night time will relay turns on, the 220 volt LED lamp is working. At the daytime will relay turns off, 220 volt lamp is not working. This principle is using in the street light solar panel system. This circuit is making on your PCB board in part 2 video. If you understand this video and any question to ask me on the comment section. Hey guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. See you in the second part. Bye bye.